The presidential inauguration is an important feature in a year in which South Africa is marking 30 years of freedom under the theme 30 years of democracy.
Kuyahlanazelwa e-Union Building ePitori kulungiselelwa umnyanya omkhulu elizweni wokufungiswa kwaMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa njengomengameli wehlandla lesibili.
We made it clear that we were against seeking any coalition with the DA and the MKP.
The DA, to its fault, since 1994, has voted against every single labor law.
Inhlangano ezibasebenzisani be-ANC azifuni nokuyizwa le ndaba yokuthi i-ANC iyokusebenzisana ne-DA kuhulumende webumbano. Siyalotshisa emakhaya ngokuhlukahlukana. Hlalele eduze nanzi indaba zesiNdebele kwe-SABC 1 zizwa ngomswa kwaMwebya uCedric. Akwande isitshaba seNkosi. Ufungiswa ngokomthetho ngomvulo kanti kulindeleke bona irage ngelesithathu ikambiso yokubekwa kwaMengameli wehlandla lekhomba elizweni leSouth Africa solo kathoma uhulumende wentando yeningi ngo-1994. Kukunje kuthomile kuyahlanazelwa i-Union Building ePitori.
Zintatanyiswe zivele emazweni ngamazwe ngaphetsheya kwamalwandle kude neduze ekucalwe bona zibe khona nakufungiswa uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa e-Union Buildings. Intrathi ezimbalwa ezihlanu kwe-Union Buildings eHatfield neSunnyside ePitori kulindeleke bona zivalwe kusukela ngesimbi yesithathu ngamasa ngelesithathu. Ngqongqoshe ofisini kaMengameli uKhumbuzo Ntshaveni uthi amalungiselelo araga kuhle.
The South African National Defence Force will perform the ceremonial elements of the inauguration as they pledge their allegiance to both the Republic and the Commander-in-Chief. The ceremonial elements will include, amongst others, a 21-gun salute, a salute flight by the South African Air Force, the inspection of the South African National Defence Force battalions, a battalion march past, and a mast fly past, which will include the South African Airways. The newly sworn-in President of the Republic will deliver his inaugural address.
Imphathimandla zibawa abashayeli benkolo ibona abasebenzisa ezinye indlela. Ezinye indlela ekulindeleke bona zivalwe balwa kizo uGordon Road noStanza Bopape, uJan Shoba noStanza Bopape, uGrosna noStanza Bopape, uHilda noStanza Bopape, uFestival noStanza Bopape, kunye noOrient noStanza Bopape. Abashayeli bangasebenzisa indlela ebalwa kizo uPretorius, uDutoy, uGrief, uFrederica, uPark kunye noJustice Mohammed. Amapholisa kaMasipalata azokuthunyelwa ngobuningi ukuzobeka ilihlo.
Umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ufungiswa ngelesithathu. Singanqaba izenga lokho. Inhlangano ezibasebenzisani be-ANC, iCOSATU ne-SACP ziphikisana nokufakwa kwe-Democratic Alliance kuhulumende webumbano. Kanti iCOSATU ibona engathi i-DA iphikisana nokuhlonyiswa ngamandla kwabasebenzi nokubonelelwa kwabo ngendingo zabo. Amakhomanisi nawo afuna i-ANC igandelele uhulumende ozokudoswa ngiyo.
Inhlangano ezisebenzisana ne-ANC zibamba umhlangano othethe isikhathi eside ne-ANC ngebheke epheleleko ngaphambi kokukhethwa kwakaMengameli omutsha. Indaba ebikhamba phambili ngeyakahulumende webumbano bona uyokuba njani kanti kube khona ukudosela emva ngokusebenzisana ne-DA kunye ne-MK Party edosa phambili nguJacob Zuma. Usomkhulumi we-SACP uAlex Mashilo uthi ihlangano le isazokuthatha igadango ngohulumende webumbano.
We made it clear that we were against seeking any coalition with the DA and the MKP. This is because we developed ourselves to become South Africa's leading political organization against neoliberalism and its other policies such as austerity.
Ihlanganisela ama-union iCOSATU isajamile ehlangothini eliphikisa ukufakwa kwe-DA kuhulumende webumbano. iCOSATU ayithandisisi indlela i-DA ebona ngayo abasebenzi kunye nokuqeda ukungalingani elizweni.
As a trading federation, we have been deeply concerned by the Democratic Alliance's attacks on the rights of workers, including more recently on the labor laws and the minimum wage. The DA, to its fault, since 1994 has voted against every single labor law.
Umholo MK Party uJacob Zuma ukuhlabe ngamagama abukhali ukwakhiwa kwaHulumende webumbano wabuhlathulula njengobudlelwano obungakabusiseki obudosa phambili makhuwa ophakathi kweANC neDA. uZuma uthi ayikho into ekuthiwa ngoHulumende webumbano eSouth Africa.
And some people who don't know politics just think phrases and things. When this time they were faced with a problem of how do you deal with the situation in South Africa, they decide to put our country as if it's at war. We now need to be together so that we can have a government of national unity. That is meaningless, says nothing.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uzokufungiswa njengomengameli kwehlandla lesibili eUnion Buildings ngelesithathu. Kuthi njalo iEFF, MK Party, ATM, Al-Jamani UDM sizokusungula ihlanganisela yemfuno zabantu abanzima eParliament.
Ngemva kweminyaka ema-20 IFP seyibuyile ekuphatheni isifunda saKwaZulu-Natal iphatha ngaphasi kombuso wenhlangano ezihlanganyeleko ekuyi-ANC, iDA ne-NFP. Inhlangano lezi zikhethe uThami Ntuli njengondunankulu wesifunda. Inhlangano yakhe ithi iyamthemba.
Undunankulu wesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal uThami Ntuli wazalelwa endaweni yaseNkandla waba yilungu lenyunyana yothisha iNATU. Ukhulele kwi-IFP njengoba umholi wayo kwesiyinge nesifunda. Ngo-2012 waqokelwa kwesobumeya eNkandla kwathi ngonyaka u-2019 watonyulwa ngumsunguli weqembu iNkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi ukuthi agcine eqokelwe sokuba uhlalo we-IFP esifundazweni. Ngo-2019 waba ngusodolobha waseKing Cetshwayo District. Iqembu lakhe lithi amava akhe lokhu kuzomenza abuse eyiqonda kahle izikhalo zabantu.
Sinenkolelo yokuthi uyindoda ezokwazi ukubelana nomsebenzi enamava namagayelo akhe futhi ayayikhulumela ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi enze izinto zenzeke. Iqembu le-IFP ubuholi balo nezinhlaka zalo zimethemba ngokuphelele nokugcwele.
Ethula inkulumo yakhe yokuqala ngemuva oqokwa ngoLwesihlanu, uNtuli uthi ubuholi bakhe buzoqhakambisa ukuhlinzekwa kwezidingo ngokusheshsha.
Siyaunderstand ukuthi abantu ngaphandle ngaphela baneyinselele ezahlukahlukene ezidinga thina ukuba usebenze ubusuku nemini ukuzama ukwenza ngcono impilo zabantu nokubuyisa ithemba kumuntu ongasebenzi nokubuyisa ithemba umuntu okhala ngeenkinga ezikhona nje emphakathini.
uNtuli uzogcotshwa ngokusemthethweni njengondunankulu eMgungundlovu eWoodburn Rugby Stadium kusasa bese eqoka ithimba lakhe labaphathi beminyango kahulumeni. Eyindabeni ze-SABC nginguvusi Khumalo eThekwini.
Isifunda seLimpopo sifumene undunankulu wokuthoma womuntu wengubo ngeveke epheleleko ngemva kwamakhetho ebekabanjwe ngomhla ka-29 kuMrhayili. uDr Poppy Ramathuba ufungiswe esibethamthethweni seLibowakgomo ngelesihlanu. Akhe siqale ikhambo lakhe ukusuka lapho abelethelwa khona ngo-1973 bekufike lapha akhona nje esikhundleni seofisini eliphezulu esifundeni lesi.
uDr Poppy Ramathuba ukhulele endaweni ebizwa ngokuthi kuHamashamba. Ebantwaneni abahlanu bakwabo nguye yedwa wafunda esikolweni samabanga phansi iChitangure ekukulapha hlangana khona ngokuthoma noMartha Mlawuthi wayefunda naye. uMlawuthi uthi uRamathuba wayevela mntwana ohlakaniphileko nobekazimisela esikolweni.
The most thing that I still remember while we were still young, there was a garden at school. You know, she was staying far from the school, but she will make sure that she have to water her line. Can you see? Then we grew up together until we reached standard 5, which is grade 7 today.
Utitshere wayomfundisa imfundo zesingisi negeography uvumelana nekutshiwo nguMlawuthi.
When it comes to debate, she was always the first one to volunteer to do all these things. When it comes to geography issues, I had no problem. I know even if I do not have much preparation, people will always do it for me.
Kanti abangani bakhe bebuncaneni bathi wayetshengisa ubukhulu asakhula ngokuzibandakanya emahlelweni welutsha esondweni.
She was a leader by birth. Because during those years, you remember as Christians movements, she will be leading us with songs and she will be able to listen to the elders in the church.
Ngemva kokuqeda imfundo zakhe zamabanga phansi wafunda iChitwa Secondary School, wadlulela esikolweni samabanga phezulu iMbiru ekukulapha afunda khona umatric. uRamathuba wenze imfundo zobudokotela esifako Makgatho Health Sciences University ebeyaziwa ngeMedunsa. ongusihlalo we-South African Medical Association eLimpopo, ulisekela likasihlalo we-SACP eLimpopo begodu ulilunga lekomiti ye-ANC eLimpopo. Ngo-2015 uNdunankulu Stanley Mathabatha wambeka njengosomkhandlu wezempilo ekusikhundla bekiso bekabekwa njengoNdunankulu iveke epheleleko. uRamathuba ukhuthaza abantu abatsha ngamagama lami.
It's simple telling a girl child that even if you are from the dusty street of Wamashamba and you used to walk barefoot to school and you used to go to a classroom in Chitangure under a tree, and one day a snake fell from the tree and the school is off, it's out. Once it's possible that things can happen and one day you can find yourself leading a province.
Njenganje uyathoma kumsebenzi wokubumba icabinet yesifunda.
Cabinet will be informed by through the eye of the needle. It's not about individualism. Here we're talking about we need to change. People need services.
uRamathuba uthi amanye amaqalonda zakhe zizenzelwa zomphakathi ukuthuthukiswa kwemkhakha nomthangalasisekelo nokudosa abasisi.
Nasibuya entolo.
The child was so helpless, cannot defend himself. He's only 2 years and 8 months.
Kusabatshazwa isihlungu esenzweni umuntu ozibiza ngendoda ekuzwakala bona uthethe umntwana wentombi yakhe weminyaka emibili ubudala wayomphanyeka. Ubukele indaba zesitebele ku-SABC1 nawo sanda ukufika siyakwamukela nawe kanti indaba ezi ziyatholakala ku-YouTube, Facebook Facebook. Asifake nazo. Amalunga omphakathi kanyamazane nendawo ezizombezileko eMpumalanga azwakalise ukuthwenyeka ngokujama kwehlelo legezi endaweni leya. Ihlelo lokwakhiwa komthangalosisekelo wamanzi loniwe ngaphambi kokuthi lithome ukusebenza. Bekubingwe ngalo bona lisetshenziselwe ukusabalalisa igezi emaplantini wamanzi lokha nakuqindeliswa igezi. Izakhamuzi eziningi sezithembele enlorini ezithutha amanzi.
Izakhamuzi ezingaphezulu kwe-250,000 kanyamazana nendaweni eziseduze ziyaraga nomhlaba kwamanzi. Ihlelo legizi bekubingwe ngalo bona lijugulula ukusabalaliswa kwamanzi nalokho akuqindeliswa igizi lijanisiwe enyangeni ezingaba 5 ezidlulileko. Kusola bona abanikazi bamatrogo amanzi baqinde indambo zegizi ngombana abafuna ukuraga nokuthuthela indawiza amanzi. Izakhamuzi zithi zidosa budisi ngendaba le.
Njengomphakathi waseThekwani sikhathele kakhulu umthana ngoba the project ifuna isiphakele sithole manje. That's the main purpose of the project.
Siyakhala ngoba le tinto letenteka laphambi kwethu akusimandi kuphela mabajubala ama cables lawo nalamalo lawo kunokuwa ishayelelekile le line lelinye legezi sinokusafara ngatwe eziningi kakhulu kule mandi safari natwe gezi ngoba bajubala bajubaliwe nakule line legezi.
Umasipolo eMbombela uthi izenzo zokuna komthangalasisekelo ziphazamisa ukuqedwa kwehlelweni okuphazamisa ukuphakelwa kwamanzi.
This project was supposed to have been completed last year, December. We have changed because of the vandalism that has been happening. They've been cutting down the poles to say then the next completion date would be in February. They continued cutting. Up till to date, which is now June, we have had about 9 incidences where the electricity lines have been cut.
Umasipolo solabona kunesandla sefene.
This issue of people wanting to ever be benefiting with using water tankers is something that is perpetual, and that group or that organized cluster does not want to see our communities having water. That is why it is being vandalized.
Umeyara weMbombela ukhombela izakhamuzi bona zibike izenzo zokuna komthangalasisekelo uthi sebavulela abasolwa amacala obulelesi kanti bazokuthwesa amacala.
Umchakalo wabafundi Soweto ngo-1976 weza namachuguluko amakhulu ekususeni umbuso webandlululo. Ikomishini yezamalungelo obuntu eSouth Africa ithi abantwana kunye nabantu abatsha banamhlanje baqalane neentshijilo ezahlukahlukeneko zamalungelo obuntu nokungafumani ubulungiswa amahlangothi wonke. Ikomishini le ibambe inkulumo-mpendulwano esondweni le-Olivenbosch eSewula ePitori ngehloso yokutjheja izinto ezikhahlumeza abantu abatsha.
Umguruguru nokusetshenziswa kwendakamizwa, ukutheliswa kunye nokuzithwala kwamatlawana ngezinye zeentshijilo abantu abatsha abaqalene nazo namhlanje.
Na mathata mangata especially naheng ena ya rona gore bana ba bangata ba tswa malapeng a robeileng ba tswa community tse robeileng so re batla gore especially letsatsing lena e be letsatsi leo re ehlile re tsamayang ka message ena ya gore re batla gore batswadi le bohle ba setjhabeng ba utlwisise gore ditokelo tsa bana ke ntho e bohlokwa haholo.
Ngokutsho kwekomishini evikela amalungelo obuntu ukutheliswa enkolweni kwisitshijile esikhulu kangodu uthinta abafundi ababalela ku 3.2 million qobe eminyaka ezweni lonke. Kanti bangaphezulu kwe67% abongazimba abatheliswako abasaba ukuvela ngaphambili njengombana babona ngasuthi angeke bafumane isizo. Nanyana kunjalo kodwana bakholelwa ukuthi ifundo iqhakathekile.
This day is very special because it reminds us of how people fought for education and how important education is.
It's more about youth empowerment, to empower youth and speaking about human rights, I think, yes. So, yeah, I just understand that it's just to empower the youth to keep on and so that the youth learn certain things that they don't know until now.
Abanye abaholi bamasondo bathi batsho amasondo kufuza adlale indima eqhakathekileko ekwakheni imphakathi.
It's really important for the church to contribute to the development of the youth.
Thina Human Rights Commission sithi asibuyeni sihlaleni phansi sibe nawo lokukhuluma lama dialogue lapho sizokwazi ukuthi sibuyiseleni lesimo sethu sokuthi asihlonipheni abantu abadala.
Amaziko afana nala athemba ukuthi azokudlala indima enkulu ekufundiseni nekukhuthazeni abantu abatsha ngamalungelo obuntu ukwenzela bona kuthuthukiswe ingomso labo.
Kanti ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi njengoba izolo bekulanga labantu abatsha ungathanda ubona uhulumende akutsheje ntanzi ebantwini abatsha ngikuphi nakumbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Into angazibekela phambili for ebantwini abatsha ukuthi abadalele amathuba wemisebenzi ngoba abantu abatsha abanenge abangaberegile.
Ene balungise le ndaba la yokucasha umuntu ngeminyaka uyosebenza umuntu lapha nekhono lakhe uyokusebenza iminyaka yakhe.
Uhulumende kwanga ngaqalisisa kakhulu ngaku NSFAS ukuthi kube nemali ngokwaneleyo enakunabukele mobenzeka ona ngokuthoma. Kwesibili acheche ngehlangothini lezemidlalo ibhola libuyele enkolweni bantu bekosi.
Kanti umbona ngombukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphindulela ngombono wombukeli. Urarekile umndeni womsanyana weminyaka emibili obudala obhubhe ngemva kokuphanyekwa batsho lisokana likanina. Isehlakalo lesisenzeke eCologa Village eStadstem ePumalanga Kapa ngempela veke. Isidumbu sika Angakum Magcwalisa sitholakele ehlathini eliseduze. Umndeni uthi uhloke nemali yokumbulunga umntwana lo. Amapholisa abophe umuntu weminyaka ema-35 ubudala malungana necala lokubulala.
Umsolwa ubotshwe ngemva kobana kutholakala isidumbu somntwana. Kuthiwa indoda le iminyaka ema-35 ubudala ithethe umsanyana lokunina ngekani kwathi ngemva kwesikhathi umntwana watholakala esakabhubhile emangweni oseduze nakwabo. Umndeni ufuna ubulungiswa. Umnqophisi wehlangano echochozela amalungelo abantwana uPetros Majola uthi kuzwisa ubuhlungu ukuthi kubulawa umntwana omncane ongeza khona nokuzilwela ngesihluku esingaka.
Now, we are so moved by what has happened, especially when you look at the age of the child. The child was so helpless, cannot defend himself. He's only 2 years and 8 months. Yet now the mother's boyfriend, who's not even related to the child.
Umasipalata we-Amahlathi uzibophelela ukusiza ngendleko zomngcwabo. Umsolwa kulindeleke bona avele ekhotho kaMagistrata weStadarem kusasa kanti kulindeleke bona umphakathi uchakale ngaphandle kwekhotho ufuna bona umsolwa anganikelwe ibhayili.
Indaba zipheli bakwethu sekuphele sona isikhathi kanti bakhona abalingani bethu bamaswati kusasa ngesikhathi esifanako akube musa.